So much. Where is your mother?
She's coming. Mom!
I'm coming.
About to take my
Nick,
darling.
ready for work? You're ready to leave?
Yes.
Okay. Remember the money you promised me that I asked for?
The money. It's okay. I kept some money on the table there.
Okay.
You can pick as much as you want.
Are you serious? Take any amount I want.
Any amount you want.
Something good is happening today.
Something good is always happening every day.
I guess so.
Yes. It's alright. But remember to prepare my favorite.
But it's always all about your favorites. No problem.
I trust you.
I'll do that. Now you take good care of yourself.
It's okay, my dear.
Have a good day. What I wouldn't do.
A beautiful queen. It's okay.
Alright, take
Bye.
care. Bye.
What is your mother still doing in the kitchen?
Let her come, let us eat. I'm hungry.
No.
Wait, let's eat.
Man.
Father, thank you for this meal and provide for those who have not seen this kind of meat. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father God, we are grateful for this meal in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen. Amen.
So you do here, since when the back. This one your face is picking up.
What do you mean? I'm tired of all this rubbish.
How?
I'm tired of playing hide and seek. All in the name of love.
Baby, you know what? You are not playing any hide and seek. Me, I love you. Now,
I'm here to know when you are coming to see my people.
Is there a problem?
Yes.
Don't worry. When the time is right, I'll come and see your people.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Let's go and see.
I've been thinking
About what?
about life in general. I mean, it's not easy, considering the fact that we're not depending on our father's wealth. There's high rate of unemployment. If you graduate and you go look for a job, they'll tell you they need working experience. I mean, how we want to survive in a society like this?
There's no problem. Everything, God knows the best. Life itself is full of mystery. We don't know what will happen at the next time or in the next minute. Study very well. Concentrate. Put more of your effort. All right. Someday, a reasonable and hardworking man might find favor in you and propose to you. All this are thinking and all that will be over. Do you hear me now? So don't stress yourself much. It is well.
It's okay, but it's not only like that. I think it has to be favor and grace. I don't think it's
I know.
it's always
But good evening.
Good evening.
yeah.
At the age, my stomach just told me somehow that when you find something I eat.
You're hungry. And you came to tell me as what as your wife or what? Didn't I just finish cooking food for you?
Kika, what's the problem? Can't you go in there and prepare something for yourself? Must you wait until your sister will come and prepare food for you? Go inside there and prepare something for yourself. Kika, do you think that you're still a kid? What's the problem?
That food is still small, brother.
Yeah, cook for yourself.
Go out there, you see your mates. Hustling out there. And you're here waiting for someone to come and cook for you. Look at this boy.
Don't worry, we'll flog him someday. Can you imagine? I should go and cook for him.
So look at us, brother. Were you able to confirm if the Chinese company is real?
But that is why I'm here. You see, I met with the Chinese men and they assured me that the business is authentic. Yes, brother.
That's alright. Now, one more thing. Were you able to find buyers?
Brother, you see. Yes, brother, you see. In Lagos, see these phone accessories. It sells like sachet water.
Really?
Yes, brother. I was able to meet 7 distributors in Lagos.
You already have 7 distributors?
Yes, brother.
Interested in the product?
Yes, brother.
It's okay. Very well then. I'll give you 15 million naira.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
It's alright. But then, that will be in 2 weeks' time.
Okay, brother. That's not something.
In 2 weeks' time. That is, 15 million naira is not a child's play.
Yes, brother.
And I even have to sell some of my properties to raise the money.
Brother, I promise you will never regret this. I will make sure I put a smile on your face. Thank you, brother.
It's okay, Nicholas. It's okay. Like I said, you'll give me 2 weeks.
No problem, brother.
Precisely March 20th. Okay? By then I will have the money complete.
Okay, brother.
It's alright. You're welcome. Have you eaten?
Yes, brother, I've eaten. Yes.
You're welcome. You see, Nick,
Brother.
I think you should wait until morning. Of course, the check is waiting.
Brother, time is not on our side. Those are not brothers I told you. They have already completed their own payments.
I see. Are you saying you want to go back to Lagos this night?
Yes, brother. I have to take the night bus. So enable me run around tomorrow morning, at least before 12 noon, in order to catch the change out.
Very well then. If you say so, just give me a minute.
Okay, brother.
Yes. Nick.
Brother.
Nick.
Brother.
This is a check of 17 million naira. I have built in 2 million naira extra for your miscellaneous.
Brother, thank you so much.
It's okay. It's alright. Don't tell me it. Nick.
Brother.
You see? Nick. I'm a businessman too.
I know that.
Good. And what we are doing here now is business. So, I will give you this check on the one condition that you will build in 10% for me. 10% of the profit will come to me and you pay me back my money.
Okay.
Agreed?
Yes, brother.
Are you sure?
I'm sure my mind is made up.
You don't look like you are sure.
No. My mind is made up. That's it.
Very well then. We will have to put it into agreement that you pay me my money immediately you receive your payment. I hope that is accepted.
No problem, brother.
Come on, Nick. You have to think about this. You don't seem to be comfortable with it.
No, my mind is made up. No problem. I'm okay with that.
It's alright. Then we'll go into it.
Okay.
So, this is the check of 17 million naira. This is a check of 17 million naira. So I'll get a sheet of paper and put down the agreement.
Thank you.
So, a moment.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Not fine.
You're not fine. Sit down. This one you're not looking happy. You're looking very moody. Is there a problem?
Well, there is a problem.
Tell me.
Brother, that money, the money.
Which money?
Brother,
You've not told me anything, Nico. Just come on, tell me which money? What happened to the money?
the money that you gave me. The 17 million that you gave
me. Nicholas, when did you turn to a comedian?
But I'm not joking. The 17 million that you gave me, I've been duped.
Now, Nick, wait, listen. You have been what? You have been what?
But I've been duped. I feel like I'm letting my life. What am I living for?
Nicholas,
Brother,
do you know what I did to raise the money I gave to you?
but I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
But I'm sorry, I don't know that those people they are sisters. Brother, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, brother, I'm sorry.
Oh.
But I'm sorry. I know how you raised the money to give me. Please, I'm sorry. I don't know that it will be like this. I don't know that it will turn out to be like this. But I'm sorry.
What do I tell all my creditors? My business capital. Hello?
Hello, this is Chief Emekanga.
Chief, how are you doing?
You're asking me how am I doing? Where's my money?
Chief, I understand how you feel. But please give me a little more time. Yeah? I know you're not happy. You are not to be blamed. But please, Chief, I have this issue with a business I'm embarked on. So I'm begging, please, just give me a little time.
How does that concern me? Where's my 3 million naira? How much are you owing me?
Okay, Chief, it's exactly 3 million naira. And of course, I know it's not a child's play. Okay, let's do it this way, Chief. I don't want to have an issue with you. Since I cannot give you that money cash now, why don't you just maybe come and take that piece of land? Yes, the one I bought. That's my piece of land at GRA. Yes, the one you wanted to buy from me last time.
Okay. The GRA.
Yes.
Oh, okay, where are the papers?
Don't worry, I'll bring the papers to your office. Just this afternoon. I'll come to your office and drop the papers from you.
Fine, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting in my office.
Okay, thank you, Chief. Thank you very much. God bless you. God, what have I gotten myself into? What have I done to deserve all this? How could Nicholas, a graduate, how could he fall victim to fraudsters? How? Oh my God, how will I get out of this thing? How? How?
Right now, I can't do stuff from the time.
As it is now, I don't have a dime in my pocket. I can't even post off ordinary 100,000 naira. And see how creditors are running after me. Everybody is on my neck. Brother?
Bro? Good afternoon.
Where are you going with your bag?
My bag?
Yes, brother.
I'm leaving makeup.
But you didn't tell me that you are traveling.
Forget about that one. You see this house? Makeup, you see this house?
The rent has expired.
I don't have the money to pay for it. You understand? And my creditors, people I borrowed from just to give you the money you went and gave to fraudsters. In fact, as we speak, some of my creditors now have threatened police action. Not just threatened police action, they have gone to police stations to bring them to come and arrest them. So, this one is not crying, hey. Just listen to what I'm telling you. If you don't find your way here, they will carry you and I will not come home. You see, that's your problem. That's why you carried my money and went and give just somebody that attended you.
But I'm not really,
Don't even know where
I have no place to go. I'm not going anywhere.
You have no place to go.
I'm not going anywhere.
I will not come home.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
I said I will not come home. You better find your way.
I'm not going anywhere. Come on, Gary.
So, that is all. The one thing I have to say is that I'm very happy for you children. Despite all that had happened between me and my younger brother, I still don't have any grudge against him. I still love him. I am happy for him because he is progressing. He is doing well. It is my joy. Yes.
Nam, did you just say you don't have any grudges against your brother?
Yes.
After everything he did to you, you are still happy with him? Ha. Nam, that is not possible. No? There is no way you can be happy with your brother. This is our uncle. This is Uncle Nicholas. He is very wicked. So don't tell me you are happy with him.
Chizoba, you are still a kid. You won't understand. When you grow up, you will see. You see, Nicholas is my brother. He is still my brother and will remain my brother. Whatever is happening is to my joy. I still love him.
Nam, happy that thing. Happy Scrap that thing. A man who rendered you poor cannot be your brother, Papa. He can't be your brother. Just look at it. From grace to grass. No, mother possible, Biko. Other possible. Try how they go.
Chizoba.
Chizoba. It's okay. You talk too much.
Why wouldn't I talk too much? Why wouldn't I talk too much? Every time Chizoba talk too much. Chizoba no na. Because happen no man.
Chizoba. Chizoba.
If you want.
You are walking out on Papa.
If you want. See. This is, in fact, as you see her, that's how your mother used to be.
Chizoba, I'll deal with you one day.
Take it.
I'll deal. Papa, you better warn her.
Don't worry. There's no problem.
Papa, is it no better you tell Uncle Nicholas to lend you some money so that we can pay our school fees? Remember, I have to do my final project. And Chizoba here has to pay off some bills for her first year exams.
Daddy, this solution is okay, but I know you always feel somehow whenever it comes to asking your brother for money. But if you cannot go, I can go myself.
Let me make one thing straight to you children. Nicholas is my brother, yes, but I cannot crawl on my knees to beg money. It is impossible. That cannot be done. You hear me? But let me warn any of you, whoever tries to do that, I will kill that person with my bare hand. I will snake the life out of that person. You hear me? Do you hear me?
So what do we do? What do we do?
I don't want to miss my exams. I don't want to miss my exams at all. If you know you cannot down, ask for that money. You provide it now. Provide the money.
Remove this. Take this one. Get in. I don't need any of you here. Get out of here.
Papa, I don't want to miss my exam. I don't want to miss my exam. Daddy.
Leave my princess. Let me be.
You're welcome, sir.
There. Yeah, father. You see.
Oh, yes.
So, please go and come in. I'll come in for you.
My big brother.
Nicholas.
You are here?
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Very good brother. Very good brother.
This is
Hey, please.
how are you?
How's everybody? Everybody. And my brother, it's about thing we discussed last time about my children's school fees. They're on my neck. I don't know what to do. Our adage says when the animals have something to scratch about, they go to the tree. But when it comes to my humans,
No way.
my brother.
It's alright. That's you are talking about the 300,000.
Hey, 300. Hey, what's that going here? I'm not even trying by it.
It's okay. There's no problem. Just give me 2 minutes or more. I'll be back.
Very beautiful. Very can't take it.
Okay, my brother.
Nico! Shake on the kids.
500,000 naira. 300,000 for the school fees. 200 for the other meals.
What could I have done without you? Oh, thank you.
No, don't do that. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. I am not God. Whenever you have problems,
Yes, sir.
you don't need to come. Just call me on phone. And it will be done.
Nico, my brother. Thank you.
I will be. No, don't worry yet. At least you have to take something.
Gee, guess what? When you left for grandma's house, Daddy came back with a check of 500,000 naira Uncle Nicholas gave to him. He has withdrawn it. So we will now have our 300,000 naira for our school fees.
Is that why you are happy? Is it bigger than what our father has done for him? He's supposed to do more.
Chizoba.
Sister,
Hey! Can't you be grateful for once?
I'm grateful.
Wale. Hey! Somebody gave us 500,000 naira and you're not happy about it.
I'm happy. Hey, sister, that's still on you. I don't like it. I told you.
I wonder if they are around my
Keep playing. Sister, you're looking at me.
What a very wonderful moment. You're welcome. This one you came to our house today. All is well.
Yes, all is well.
What are you for? Welcome.
Yeah, my dear. Yes. How is Baba?
You can join us now.
Okay.
Sister, join who? It's like you don't need me here.
Chizoba. What is wrong with her? Nothing. Don't mind.
No. I noticed it. The moment we came in here, her countenance changed. Did you understand that?
No, it's okay. Just sit down, please. It's okay.
Yes, brother, let me find the seat.
So, you know what? I will tell you. No, please, my brother. Whichever you want.
Chizoba, why are you behaving like this? Why is it that anytime you hear Uncle Nicholas' name or sees his children, you always act as if they are your arch enemies? You better stop this behavior of yours towards them, because it will not lead you to anywhere good.
Sister, is it not obvious that our daddy sacrificed his future, wealth, and everything he ever had just for Uncle Nicholas to go to school and stand as a man? Now that he's rich, he doesn't want to help anybody, and we are suffering and wallowing in abject poverty because of that.
My dear, we can survive without his help. Okay? Very soon I will graduate. You too, you're coming up. We will graduate, have good jobs, and even make our daddy proud. So cheer up. Cheer up!
Chizoba, go and buy me a recharge card. Wait. Haven't you cooked the food, the soup?
Not yet. Let me try and get it for you.
I'm hungry. Oh my God. This life is full of uncertainty. So, I, Chief Odumot, now depends on my younger brother, Nicholas, for my family to eat. I remember when my mother was alive. When I was doing very well in my business, he was busy enjoying himself with beautiful ladies in the school. And our mother kept pressurizing me to send him school fees, which I did. Now he is a rich man, enjoying his money only with his family. But I suffer, and he doesn't even care to help me. No. This can't happen. It can't continue. I lost everything I had just because of him. I would have listened to my late wife earlier. I think I am beginning to see reasons why my daughter, Chizoba, she was right. Okay, I must act now. It is now for me to act. I must act fast.
Zoba, how are you?
I'm fine. How can I help you?
I went to the market. Sorry, no market. Anyways, I went to get some clothes for myself and I saw some very beautiful clothes I knew you would like. So I got you some. Check them out.
Hey! Chizoba, Itagafofo. Chizoba, you have suffered. Bianena. So it has gone to the extent that you insult me by getting me these rags. The whole of your clothes.
Who's insulting you? You don't like them. I can actually get you more if you don't like them.
You don't understand. You have what I mean.
Why is she acting up? But they are beautiful clothes now. Chizoba, what are you? Wait, Chizoba, that's a terrible now.
You touch me, I will pull you down.
Chizoba, what is it?
I said, look, I just bought her clothes too. I don't know. She brought a kerosene to
Come on, give me that.
Are you alright, Chizoba? Chizoba, what is your problem?
Chizoba,
You want to burn the clothes I got?
Get inside. I don't want. Get inside. Go, boy. No.
Have I done anything wrong to buy my sister a clothes? She wants to burn the clothes I got for her.
Please, my dear. You know
with my hard-earned money.
You know how she behaves. Please, my dear. Please. Okay, please don't be offended. Oh, please.
It's okay, Auntie. Don't worry.
Oh, no, don't worry.
Auntie, I don't want problem. I don't want her to burn this clothes. It's okay. Make sure she will not burn them.
Don't worry, please. Forgive.
Hey, Okukwe, he came. How are you? Well, you're looking still good.
Thank you very much.
And thank you. Where are you people going under the sun? It's very hot. My dear, we are going home. Oh. It's okay. All right. Hoppy, let me drop you. Okay. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Baba, come.
Let's go.
So come inside now.
What's wrong with her, Baba?
Yeah, I'm bad. So this boy have the guts to stop in our presence that he wants to give us a lift. Just imagine the way he's saying it. And be bragging, he wants to give us a lift. Knowing the fact that our father had series of cars. If not that his father rendered our father useless.
Chizoba, I can understand how you feel.
No, you don't understand. You don't.
What can we do? Just take it easy. Take it easy, okay?
I know what to do.
God, please help this my sister. Hey.
Nick,
Yeah, my dear.
there's something I would like us to discuss.
Why not wait until tomorrow? Because I'm busy.
No, we can't wait till tomorrow. It's better we talk about it now.
What is it?
About your brother.
And what about him?
I don't feel comfortable with him. There's something sinister about him. I can't really put my finger on it. I think you should be careful in your dealings with him, please.
It's okay. I understand. And I will be careful about it. Don't bother yourself much about that.
What?
Yes, I'm not using my initiative.
Brother, I noticed that uncle of the movie is not happy with us. It's like something is wrong somewhere.
You can't my brother.
Yeah.
To be candid with you, I have noticed this earlier before now. You know, our uncle Dunodu. In fact, it is obvious he is not free with us. Him and his children, they are not free with us. You know, he normally comes to our house and stay with us. You know, whenever he comes, he even asks for drink, food and all that. Yeah. But these days, he doesn't ask of all those things. That is if he manages to visit us. You know what? We'll all have to be very, very careful now.
Bro, I think Father must say about this.
I don't want to, I will speak with him. I have to speak with him. It's very important.
Dog.
Yes?
A few days ago, I was discussing with my mother about your brother, Uncle Odumodu, and his children. Honestly, Mom is very much worried about them. Listen, each time your name is being mentioned, all of them, they get angry over it. Especially Chisoba. She doesn't even want to hear your name anywhere around her. I think something is wrong somewhere. Something is bothering them. Something that they don't even want to share with anybody.
It's okay, son. I've heard you. But remember, my brother and I are one. same father, the same mother. I promised him some money for him to start up something. And I also promised to give him a new building, which I have discussed with my contractor to start up the job very soon. I don't know. What else do they want from me again? Must I kill myself because of them? Or sell my house to make them happy? Which is not possible. Anyway, I've heard you, eh? I know what to do.
Father, you know, heart of man is so deceitful.
Of course I know that. I agree with you.
I'm not against that. If you want to build a house for your brother or not, there's no problem about that. But all I'm saying, you have to be very careful from now henceforth, because I smell danger. They're not happy about, in fact, about us in general.
Where is your mother?
She's at the living room downstairs.
Please, call her for me.
Nick.
Mom.
Come.
You are ready?
Yes, okay. I'm ready to go.
Okay.
I just want to get to the meeting and sign off.
Okay.
But there's something I want to ask of you.
Something like what?
I don't want you to step out of this house today. I have this premonition that something bad would happen. So if you will stay indoors for today, I would really appreciate it.
But I told you I have an important meeting with my business partners today.
Yes, you did. But you can call in and tell them you're sick. Assuming you're really sick, would you go for the meeting? Please.
Well, Mom, if that is the case, I will make sure it doesn't get anywhere today. I will stay here with you.
That's what I talk about all the time. There's no food. You take care of yourself.
It's okay.
You fast. Your mates are fasting.
Take care of
I will. Okay, see you guys. All right.
Come back on time.
No matter how much you talk to him, he's so stubborn.
I don't know.
When you try to advise these men, they never pay attention. Who is that at the gate? What is it?
Manena.
What is it?
Manena, my friend. Oh.
What is it?
Manena.
What happened now?
What happened? Oh, it's happened.
What is going on here? What is this? Let's go. What happened?
Manena, my friend.
What is it now? I don't understand.
From that end.
Yeah.
People got that.
My shot your
Hello?
Hello, sir. Are you Mr. Odumod, Chief Odumod?
Yes. What can I do for you?
My name is Dr. Kelechi. I'm calling from St. Mary's Hospital. Please, do you know Mr. Nicholas?
My brother.
Okay, sir. We regret to announce to you that he has been assassinated.
Say what? He was what? Nicholas!
Daddy.
Nicholas!
What happened to Uncle Nicholas?
Nicholas!
Uncle Nicholas! He said Uncle Nicholas is dead. Daddy, so you're still like this? Oh, Daddy, remember you're hypertensive. Oh. Eh? Will you want your brother forever?
There is problem. There is fire on the mountain. Ifeyinwa, I have lost it all. Just recently, I had discussed with my brother about giving me some money so that I will take it to bounce back into my business. He promised that he's going to give me enough money to lift up my business again. And now everything has shattered. Who will I be telling this? Who will give me that money again? Where am I going from here? What is it? I don't want to die still.
Daddy. Your brother is dead, buried, and gone. There's nothing you can do about it. Besides, what's so special about his death? He's not the first person, second person, or third person that has died. Other people died, and they were buried. So he's not the first person. You better forget about your money, because when he was alive, you didn't tell him about the money on time. Now the people you offended has killed him. You are still here thinking about your money. You better forget about it, though. What about it?
Chizoba, what's wrong with you? Don't you know that you're still a kid? Chizoba, shut up!
Chizoba, what kind of hatred is this? Your uncle. You still hate your uncle unto death? Why? What kind of heart is this? This is getting out of control. This is getting out of bounds. Chimzoba.
Daddy, when mommy died, there was no problem. Now that God has heard your prayers and killed him, you are here thinking, you better forget about him. Forget about him entirely. I'm going to be here.
I said get out of my presence.
But Daddy, you don't outside before. I'm just telling you for you to know.
Who is this girl?
Eh? It's okay. Remember your health. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Go.
What is it going to do? This is our house. Allow us to get come on, go back. What's the meaning of it? Come on, listen. I said go back. I will beat you. I will beat you. If you try to, I said go back. Come on, go back. What are you? Come on, go back. Come on. It's in house. I want to take over this house. I'm going to your father. Who will you back? Take this in out of Pachaka. You want to try it? We will beat you today. I respect you. I respect you. Keep beating out of this place. I will beat. I'm not accepting you. I will beat you. I will beat you.
What is it?
Uncle.
Are you the one that told you say you want to choose about to pack their things?
Yes. Yeah.
Why, Uncle?
Uncle, what is the meaning of this?
We don't intend to chase you people.
Uncle Maka, why? Makadini, why will you do such a thing? I mean, it is not even up to a year that we lost our father, and you are bringing your useless family to my father's house.
Thank you very much. I did not intend to chase you people.
So,
I just want to take protective care of my brother's property. It belongs to me. Let's go here.
Uncle, you can't go inside, please. You cannot. Who cannot go inside? You cannot go inside. Who cannot go inside? Auntie, you are joking. Auntie, I said you are joking. If I'm calling you auntie, if I'm too calling by your name, you cannot go inside. Uncle, this is not fair. Uncle, what is the meaning of this? What is this now? Uncle, come inside. Uncle.
If you push me, I fall on the ground.
Nana, don't worry.
It will be terrible. It will be terrible for me before I start.
Uncle.
I will follow. I will follow. I will fall.
No.
You want me to fall?
No.
Jesus, come inside.
Nana, say it's okay. It's okay.
Why would my husband's brother Odumodu want to take over my husband's businesses and properties? I don't get it. My husband's body is still fresh in the grave and he's craving for everything that belongs to him. Does it mean that what Okukwe is saying is true? That he has a hand in my husband's death? This is incredible. I can't just sit back and let him take over everything. I must fight him. I think I know what best to do. I will go and meet the Umona. They need to deliberate on this. And they have to make him swear that his hand is not in his brother's death. I can't just let him take over everything. I have children, I have sons and I have a daughter. No. I think I know what to do. Yes. I know what to do now.
Mom, is that why you are treating us this way?
After all, my father was taking care of them like his own family.
Look.
Yet they killed him. They assassinated him.
Please, you should stop talking like this. Your father did not kill your father, period.
Mom, isn't it obvious that our father was killed by unknown killers? And I'm suspecting his brother, Uncle Remote. He killed my father. That is why it is not even up to 2 months. He's now talking about his wealth, talking about his business, all his assets.
Please, calm down. And stop saying that. Stop saying that. Because if his children get to hear what you're saying, it's going to cause a lot of trouble.
I don't care.
So please, just keep quiet about this.
They will not do anything, Mama.
Okay.
I don't care. I don't care! No big girls. I give them injury now.
I want you to tell me this. What is your problem? Why is it that you can't let me have peace in this house? You won't let me drink water and keep the cup. You know why I'm keeping silent? It's because you're a woman, but if not, I know how to handle this like.
Is that what you have to say? Odumodu, is that what you have to say? For how long will you go on with this your wicked and greedy nature? But remember one thing, God is watching.
God is watching. I know He's watching. But let me tell you that God is not a bomboy. He's not a bomboy. But let me tell you, if you don't get your children to stop harassing my own children, the way I will handle you and these children, any ear that hears it will make me. You hear me?
Would you?
Listen.
What have my children and I done to you? I mean, why would you want to take over my husband's property and businesses? What has my husband done to you? You know he loved you and your family.
Does it mean that your husband did not tell you anything about a business transaction between him and I? Well, if he did not tell you, you listen very carefully. First of all, to start with, your husband, being my junior brother, for him to excel in going to school, I had to withdraw my school ambition based on the advice from our mother. And he went to school and he came back after his service. He started his own business. At a point, he requested for money, the amount of 17 million naira, which I believed. But the whole of my business wasn't up to that. But I did everything. I liquidated my business. I closed my shop to fund that amount of money to him. But unfortunately, I didn't know he was playing under the hands of fraudsters who duped him the whole amount of money. But before I gave out that money, listen very carefully. We had an agreement which we signed under the watch of a lawyer. How to pay, when to pay, with whatever interest involved. He signed and agreed with me in all those things. And I said, boy, this thing happened a long time ago. And I've been waiting for him to do that. But when I met him last, he promised me to pay me the money before his demise. Before the disaster happened. Yes. That is it.
if you take over everything that belongs to you, what do you expect me to use and train these children? Your nephews, your niece, your blood. You leave me with no choice.
My daughter, it is unfortunate he did not tell you anything, but the documents that we signed is still there, even the lawyer, everything. So finally we will look into it. First of all, to tell you, I have come to take the custody of this property, even the business, anything that belongs to him, so that it is better to be safeguarded than all this thing that you said. Okay. Reason we are here is that, like I have said it before, and I will continue to say it, is to formally announce to you that I'm taking over my late brother's, taking over Nicholas, my late brother's business and properties, other properties. And since he died, I have discovered that there is need for me to reorganize things as it's supposed to be. I am surprised that your mother is not here, because I told her earlier, but nevertheless, as you're here, as the first son, everybody's complete. Yeah? That's why I've come with our legal practitioner to handle everything the way it's supposed to be. That's why I'm here.
Uncle Dumod. Uncle Dumod, what are you talking about? Are you this wicked? Eh? You want us to leave our father's business conglomerate for you? Eh? How are we going to fight for ourselves? Uncle, why are you this wicked? Uncle Dumod, now let me tell you, it can never happen. Not one in my life.
Okay. Calm down. Calm down.
For what?
Calm down. Please. Okay, please, let's settle this amicably. Uncle, you said my late father was owing you, right? And you are proving that with your MOU you showed to us. Squadron, that's not a problem. But Uncle, we will run the company together.
Yes.
Yes. We'll give you your percentage, while we will take our percentage.
Yes.
In that case, there will be no problem. You will go with yours, we'll go with ours.
That's all.
Uncle, come to think of it, we're like your children. We have to take care of ourselves. If you go with this old thing, how are we going to survive? Uncle, please. We are like your blood. Did I say like? We are your blood. Please let bygones be bygones. I'm tired of these troubles. I beg of you. Please, Uncle.
My attorney, the attorney for this reason, you have to gather the documents and work out things as I have told you. Yeah? I put things in order. I forgot what I was just trying to talk.
Young man, I think this is the time for you to go in there and bring all the necessary documents.
Yes.
I shall do no such thing, barrister! Because this company has its own attorney! You aren't my attorney. Did you hear that? Get that into your head!
Well, we shall see in court.
Very well then.
Okay. Please.
Please for what?
Do as he said. For the sake of our late father.
Becky, go and work on it. You have my own part of it, so you know how to arrange the whole thing. Sure. Yes.
Obutu wasidi Chimo Obutu wasiadio Wage iwe yonyege kuru yolo ya Chukubiko Paton senye maka Ewo Obutu wasidi Chimo Obutu wasiadio Wale iwe yonyege kuru yolo ya Chukubiko Paton senye maka
Hey, Abambo. Calm down. I said make una relax. Nothing spoil, everything do okay. We come out there say make we arrange, say no Ekelebede road. You know now see there be.
My own is the same, make that man not carry the money come out too.
That one no be anything. I hope say all the groundnut and everywhere they carry go work just tight as they be like this. But grandma get go campa. You say at times I celebrate the store, even vigilantes. See you, you don't think you stop for me. If you don't go, you go say celebrate, you gonna pack for them. See, not me today. No need it.
No go happen.
Not be today.
No go happen.
No time. Make we leave.
You know, plenty.
Uncle, what am I passing here?
You are bats.
Yes.
Which means your mother did not tell you anything. Listen very carefully. I told your mother some time ago, almost a week ago, to carry her bags and you people's bags to the boys' quarter. That's where you belong. She doesn't seem to understand what I was saying. That's why I decided to remove it by myself. So carry it. She is there already. Go and meet her.
You lie. If there's anyone to leave this house, then it is you and your stupid daughters. You can't walk into my father's house to chase I and my mother out of my father's house. It's not possible. I'm not going anywhere. I'm taking my things back and I'm going to bring my mother back to this house. Anywhere, go here. She's over. Take over. I'm going to bring my mother back. What kind of rubbish? I'm not going. You are taking. She's over. Get your beautiful self out of the room.
Go and join your mother. Your mother is there.
Uncle, please now.
My elders, you're all welcome. Let me go and get something for you.
No.
Something. So
What are you? Please sit down. What are you getting for us? We are here for serious business. Relax. Sit down. And tell us what you have in mind about your brother. Tell us.
Chief was the mood. Are you trying to tell us that your hand is not in your brother's death?
I don't have a date of birth. Nicholas was my younger brother. We were so close. Even when we were young, I have to drop for school so that Nicholas will go on. Even after his graduation, he started his own business. And at a point he came and asked for a huge amount of money, which I gave him. I liquidated my business in order for him to make his headway in business. And finally, though certain things happened, I would say Nicholas was my brother. I never had any business. Yes.
Hey, my brother, what do you have to say? Why did you throw your brother's family out of the house?
I did not throw them out of the house. They are still in the house.
In the family?
Yes. I had only come in to take protection of the house, to protect the house, to protect the family, and to protect the properties. Even protective of the children and everyone. As the elder brother, immediate elder brother, it's my responsibility. Though there was a time there was a problem, based on the money and what we agreed when I released the money for him. But he didn't come up with his own part of the agreement. But that didn't stop us or maybe to have any grudge against him. We are still very close. In fact, let me tell you, the death of my younger brother, I was worst hit because he had just planned to give me a very huge amount of money. He was about to give me the money, so the death had shattered all my dreams. So I wouldn't have pushed him out of the idea. Yes.
Chief Odumod, in that case, Omona has decided that you will take an oath in order to prove your innocence.
Correct. Listen, I am willing to take an oath to prove my innocence. And wherever the oath will be taken, however it will be taken, and whenever it will be taken, I am ready for it. Thank you.
Mafaji, leave us alone. Just leave us alone. Okay. Let us decide. Yes. My brother, come here. And now you have had the Odumod, what he said.
Uchechi.
Onya, who is that?
Hey, Uchechi, where is your father?
He went out.
Hey, I'm finished. Uchechi, I'm finished.
What happened?
Uchechi, the elders want my father to swear an oath. Hey, they're accusing him of killing his brother Nicholas.
Oath? Hey, that was what Chizoba told me in the morning.
Uchechi, please, when your father comes back, tell him that my father wants to see him.
Okay, I will do that.
Let me go.
Ozugo, during while. Take care.
Okay, my dear. All right. Take care. Okay, bye.
Sister, what is happening? What is going on here? Why did that useless woman and her foolish children come back to this main house? You were supposed to be in the boys' quarters, so what is happening?
Chizoba, calm down. Calm down. The elders had a meeting earlier this morning and they asked them to come back to the main building. Besides, if we don't allow peace to reign, people will start thinking we have hands in Uncle Nicholas' death.
Sister, I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I need them out of this house. If they don't leave this house, I'll be the one to push them out of. I'll finish my own.
Chizoba, it's not possible. If we do that, we will be excommunicated. Chizoba.
Sammy, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. I need them out of this house. I want them out of this house.
Chizoba, don't go there and make trouble, though. Give me never don't want more people.
If you don't want
I was told that you had been here since waiting for me.
Congratulations. You are proven your innocence.
Look, let me tell you, I really suffered. I'm all over. My hardest hit was that my brother, the only one I hoped, who promised to help me, was suddenly vanished, making one of my dreams shattered. But not only that, upon it, I was being accused of having killed my only brother. So when they say about taking an oath, swearing, I said, God, let it be. And now it's 14 days after. And God has been better. It has proved that my hand is clean. I have no hand inside. That is it. We have a lot to discuss. Let me call this sugar. Let them bring something.
Do you know that after my father took their oath, nothing happened to him? Are you serious? I'm telling you the truth. Hey. You see, my father that cannot even hurt an ant, let alone killing his only brother.
Thank God though. Chukwuekene. Do you know that people are rumoring that your father killed his only brother?
And they were all expecting you to die.
I told you guys not to disturb yourself. You guys should chill. Your father is a good man now. You should go and look for who killed their father and stop disturbing someone.
Anyway, that one is their business. If they like, they should be gossiping around. It's none of my business. That's not even why I'm here. I'm here to tell you girls that I'm taking you out tomorrow, so...
Yeah! Yay! You! Take us out.
Where are we going?
Hope you are not joking, because that's the same thing you said that day. You just carry your leg and went to where I'm doing.
Where are we going? Pamina. Hey!
Pamina, that's the kind of thing you like.
Calm down. What?
Go where, Connie? Why must I be here? People won't let me hear anything. Look at this girl. Was in everything?
All of us are here. And you people went to discuss and then come back and say we should go. Go where? Why won't you people let me hear?
What do you want to hear? So that you open this your mouth and go and be telling Nena. My friend, let's go, Joe.
Yeah, my friend. Let's go.
Chimo! What is it?
Let me tell you, this place is more better than that living room downstairs.
I'm telling you, my dear. Poverty is a disease.
Hey! This is exactly what we have been missing all this while. I'm so happy. Woo.
Could it be Linda? No. She can't do a thing like that. Nina cannot try it. She can kill her father. Who did this to me? Who killed my father? Okay. I will find out someday.
Don't! Sir, I'm not going to show you. Come on, get out! Go on, sit down. Sit down for yourself. Sit down for yourself. Get out!
Chi, what happened to your face? My uncle Trevor fought me. Yeah?
They have the guts to beat me up.
Yeah. So those idiots have the guts to do this to you.
Hey!
So those people have the audacity to lay their filthy hands on your face? Hey! They will see. See? You people have to give them war for war. War for war. I will give these people. They haven't seen anything yet. If Rona, ma, what you? There will be no peace until there is judgment. See? Don't worry. Just don't worry. Your father has started fighting for you people, so don't mind them. But you see what? I must give them war. I must give them war. Una hama but hamuna how? Una
What's up,
Mama. Don't even try to touch me. Don't touch me at all. Is that how you love? Is that how you behave?
What's happening now?
Look at my face. Can you see my face? After everything my cousin did to me, you didn't care to look for me. I was in the hospital for 1 week. No calls. You didn't search for me.
Calm down.
You didn't make any effort. Is that how you behave?
Calm down.
Don't touch
Calm down.
me.
I
If you
explain
touch
to you
me, I'll
now.
give you a dirty slap. It's like something's wrong with your head. Something's wrong with your head, right?
You sweat now, baby.
Don't touch me.
Samba! What happened? I see them.
I don't see them. I saw a bush. I don't see them. Let's get over a bush. But my work.
Chi!
Let's get a bush. I don't see them. You mean to have searched for them everywhere?
No, everywhere. We don't see anybody. As we be say we don't walk anywhere, we don't see them. One day we will get them. Let's go. Come, let's go.
We go back.
We go. Please, let's go back home.
Which home?
Our home.
We can't go back to that house now. My dear, it is obvious that the person that killed our father is also after our lives. So we can't go back home now.
So, brother, what are we going to do? And we're not with our phones.
Yes, I know. Our phones, yes. We need to lie low now. For now. We need to find a way and stay.
Where, brother?
Where somebody cannot find us.
Brother, what about our mother and then?
I'm sorry, brother. They will take care of themselves. So, we'll keep on moving.
Yeah, brother.
Don't worry. We'll get to somewhere.
Ladies. There is problem. Big problem. What is it this time? Do you know that since 3 days ago, my uncle's children are nowhere to be found? And everybody is suspecting my father.
That's too bad. Please, what's your father doing about it?
He has been looking for them, but they are nowhere to be found.
But Chizoba, let me ask you. Do you want your cousins to come back and start contending with your father over their father's property?
No, it's not what I want. And it's not what I mean. Which one is not what you want, it's not what you do. Do you want them to come back or not? Don't say something for once now. No. I don't want them to come back. I don't want them to come back. I wish them dead wherever they are. In fact, if there is a way I can send them into oblivion, I will do that.
Sambisa Forest will be better.
Chizoba, just go there and
Chizoba.
Stop being bad. Evil is not good.
Look at this small witch. Who seek your opinion? My friend, shut up your mouth, bro.
Ask me.
Nonsense.
See, if you don't have something better to say, you better get out of this place.
Let her shut up.
Charu. Chizoba, I've told you my own.
Yeah.
I've told you my own. Evil is not good. Evil is not good.
I'm now evil.
Evil is not good.
Oh, more Chizoba be evil.
Evil is not good.
Shut up! You want me to deal with you?
Don't mind this.
You want me to deal with you?
Calm down.
You better close your mouth.
You're so wicked. Stop being wicked. Stop being wicked. Wait,
I'm sure we're going to be fine. Okay.
Thank you.
My sons. They've taken my sons. The same people that took my husband, they've taken my sons. What am I supposed to do? I've reported to the police. Today is the third day and they're yet to be found. I went looking for them. Mom, it's okay.
It's okay. Manuel, you know what? Manuel.
It's okay, Manuel. It's okay. I need to find my boys. They're not usually like this. They would always come home. My baby that is always hungry. How would he survive? How would he survive?
It's okay, God will take control. God will take control. By the special grace of God, I put on my daughter and the men and with their friends, all of us, we go in search of them anywhere they are. We'll enter everywhere in this town. By the grace of God, we find them already.
My brothers, that was what happened though.
But let me ask, have you reported this case to the police? If you had, what are they doing about it?
Yes. My brother, still investigating.
Police and their investigation, it will take them 100 years.
Yes, that's it. 100 years is too small now.
Boy, Chima, what do we do?
Now, my brother, okay. In this case now, I get very confused. What test can we do? I don't know. You know how we get here. A person, true person help me get here. We don't say what I'm going to say, we should be our brother's keeper. I don't know. My brothers. The way the manage one room. Who not cooking? Just one room. One room. I don't know if you guys can manage with us for that one room.
Thank you very much. There's no problem. Thank you very much.
We'll manage. You can manage them like that.
You're gonna have to take care of me.
But I don't know very soon. What do you guys do for a living?
Hey!
Coco. The man follow your call.
No one.
Oh, you got Coco. Me who?
Uche. And I find I go open up to them. What we say? See, my brother, my pure water with the sell. Pure water and like a salad. Pure water and like a salad. I know you guys go manage them like that. Just join us, they do as we do. They hawk as we they hawk. They do anything we they do. And like that you go take survive. For many years, and this thing we they do. So yes.
I don't trust them. They go for our money.
No, please. Let's you guys help us, please. Please.
Wait. Don't worry. You know I have foresight. Let me just use it. And look at that one, especially this one.
That one. See that one.
They can't steal from us.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Let's help them.
Make my money no loss. Make my money no loss too.
No loss, my brother.
Nena, why are you crying? Eh? I said, why are you crying?
Too much. First, you succeeded in killing my husband. Now you've killed my 2 sons.
Your children? Eh? Where is Nkem? Where is Okwukwe? Where are they?
For 2 days now, I've not seen them.
Oh my God. Who is after my brother's children? Who is after my brother's family? Eh? No worry. Stop crying. I said stop crying. I will find out. I will get them. I will find them. No! I will find them.
How are you today? I hope you are getting better. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
My children are still at large. Kate, please help me find them. Let me see them for the last time before I go. Oh, God forbid. You will not die. You will not die by the special grace of God. I have to see them for the last time. You will. My children, Ikem. Right? It's okay. Sorry. My babies. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. Look at these children. We must go in search of them anywhere they are. And by the special grace of God, we'll come back with them today. Amen. Thank you, children. Thank you for coming out to help. I really appreciate it. It's fine.
Mommy,
it's
so
okay. Stop.
just get better. Just try and get better. You know, if they come back and see you like this, they won't be happy. Please.
Let's go together. Let's go. There's nothing we can do. Let's go together. Let us go together. Let's go. We'll be back.
Let us do it.
Amen.
Nena.
My brothers.
It's okay. Can you listen to me? Okay. Do you trust me?
I trust you.
You trust me?
I trust you.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. You know what will happen? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Okay. Okay.
You take this direction. Okay. Go to the field where they used to play football. Search for them everywhere. Ask their friends. Okay. You understand? Go to their houses. Oh yeah. Move immediately. You follow this direction. Go to Nkwo Junction, to the market. All their friends' houses, search everywhere. Make sure you come back with him today.
My brothers.
Nena.
Where are we not going to look for them?
Calm down. Calm down. Can you listen to me? Okay. Do you trust me? Nena.
I'm trying.
You are trying. God will help us. Let's take this direction. By the grace of God Almighty, we'll come back with them today.
Okay.
You hear?
Okay.
Yes, let's move.
Oh, Queen!
drugs. People will take your drugs, mommy. Kim, mommy, please don't call him Kim. He'll be fine, mommy. Mommy, please. Mommy, please, you have to take your drugs, please.
Kim, call the Kim for me.
Kim. Kim. Mommy, to see Kim. Mommy, please. Please. Okay. Mommy, let me bring your food. You've not seen for a very long time. Let me call you. Mommy, please.
Call them for me, please.
Mommy, wait. Mommy, you have to eat. Mommy, you can't do this to me. Please.
Call my sons for me, please.
Mommy, wait, let's take her to the hospital. Mommy, Mama Nena. Mama Nena. Mommy. Mommy, we are here. Mommy, Mama Nena. Mommy, Mama is here. Mommy, wait. Mommy. Mommy, what is this? Mommy, I'm coming. Wait, Nena, wait. Hey! What is it? My mother. What is it? My mother. Wait, my mother. Chiamaka, why didn't you come yesterday? As we talked.
I actually prepared to come. Something came.
What?
It is not Nina, your friend.
Nina, what about her?
My dear, you needed to have seen Nina yesterday. Crying in her father's grave.
Really?
Then I was passing home and I stopped by. I was like, Nina, what are you doing to yourself? Do you want to kill yourself? Are you the first person that lost her father? What are you doing to yourself? You take easy. I was consoling her. Should you even listen to me? That was it.
Hey, Nina.
My dear, you need to talk to that your friend. She should take this easy.
I need to go to their house.
Yes, I'm afraid.
I need to go to their house and talk to her.
Young man, are you okay? Why are you roaming about?
Good evening.
Is anything the matter? You've been roaming about for almost an hour here. What is the matter? What do you want?
My name is Ukwe. Please, I need your help.
How may I help you?
Please, ma'am. I'm very hungry. See, for the past 2 days now, I've not eaten anything.
Let me eat.
Please, I've not eaten. Please, I'm very hungry. If you can help me, even if it's leftover food, I will appreciate it, please.
A full-grown man like you is begging for food. Don't you have hands? Is anything wrong with your hands? Or are you handicapped? Why can't you walk? Why don't you search for any job and attach yourself there?
It is not as if I don't want to work, or I'm lazy, or I'm weak. No, I've been trying to see if I can get myself something to in order to help myself. But I've gone to some people to see if they can give me at least keke, give me managing or bike, so that I can be earning small money from there. But they refuse to give me. I even gone to this place that all these building contractors to see if I can help all these laborers.
I can understand.
To see if I can get money, but they're not accepting me.
Where are you from?
Okay. I'm from Abo.
Abo. In Udi?
Yes.
In Udi local government. Okay, I know that town. I know that town very well. But if I employ you here, will you be diligent?
With all pleasure. I appreciate. I will work.
This is treasure-based joint. I am the owner. So if I employ you, I hope you will be humble and dedicated.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In that case, come, let me give you food. Follow me.
And one more thing, ma'am. Please.
Don't. Come on.
Please, ma'am. I have a younger brother.
Yes, sir.
He's selling pure water. He's just walking on the road. Please. That is where we are getting little money from. At the end of the day, you made little money like 100 naira. Please, and I'm not comfortable with the way he's hustling. I don't want anything bad to happen to him. I'll appreciate it if you permit me to invite him over so that both of us will be working here. I believe some people do come here and watch football, and you have much customers. The work, we have what is called division of labor. It will be very easy for me, please.
At least I now know that you are a bit literate.
Thank you.
Come, you will see what you can do. Here is a beautiful place. Here is a beautiful place, and we don't need dirty things here. Every morning you come and sweep here and clean up everywhere, tidy up everything. I like everything to be on point. I don't want to come here and see any dirty any day. Any day I see such thing, you are in soup. I might be simple, but I'm harsh sometimes. Anything that goes contrary, anything you let her know on time. Tell Ifunaya, because she's the madam of this place. Okay. I will want to come here any day and there is any shortage or a customer complains that he comes in and he didn't see what he wanted to drink. Okay, no problem. Come, let me show you the ones inside. Okay.
No customer.
If there's no customers, you don't know you will pick all these things and arrange everywhere and all that.
Sorry, bro.
I don't like this at all. I don't like this. Pick the other one. Pick up. And you? Why cry?
Ma, I'm not crying though.
As if I can't see anymore.
It's all that something entered into my eyes.
I just hope you're not planning on how to run away with my money.
No, hey, God forbid. I can never do a thing like that.
Truly, I'm not happy the way you people.
Madam China.
Stone, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
Welcome.
I'm okay, man. Every time with Jody, man.
Forget that one. We have seen.
No wahala. You know my usual. You know my usual.
Okay.
Yeah, you're alright.
Okay. Okukwe. Come and serve him.
So how is it going now? How is business?
Everything, we are always thanking God.
You called me.
Serve him.
Okay. Madam China, there's no problem. I forgot that there's a place I'm supposed to go before coming here. So no worry. In the evening I will come and take my normal something. No problem. Please, I want to talk to you alone.
Okay.
I thought you said that Nicola's children are not in town.
Of course they are not in town.
But I saw them yesterday.
What?
Yes.
Where?
I saw them serving in the beer parlor.
I'm
serious.
You are kidding me. Okay, no problem. I've heard what you said. Don't let anyone hear about this. Not even Obinna. I will get back to you later.
There's no problem. Yeah. Take care of yourself.
Are you done?
Let's go.
Where's my 25,000 naira?
Madam, I swear to God, I did not say any money.
Money?
Are you the one with the money? No, I'm not the one. You don't say any money. I know, I trust
you. people must be joking, though.
We're not joking, but I don't say any money.
Hey.
Madam,
you people are joking with me.
We don't say any money. We did not say any money.
Provide that money now.
They are lying. It's not you that stole the money.
I've not
lying.
done anything like this before. I cannot see your money.
You should provide that money, else I'll call police.
No, madam, how are we going to get 25,000 naira?
Police is going to arrest you for it's you people that stole the money.
Police?
Yes, I'll call police. Call police.
Madam, it says nobody to pass now. I did not say any money. We did not say any money. Don't call police for me.
Customer. Now don't come.
Madam China.
Welcome. Customer.
Madam China. Madam C. Yes, it's the China. You don't get your money now.
I thought we just did. Business fine, not today.
See, I see this come here.
I don't see her, so I just there.
You know, somebody on the firewood now.
Nah, true, my brother. They enjoy, they go.
How about those two boys? I mean, he came and them. I used to sell them.
Those ones. I don't sack them. I just say make I help those children. I bring them here, make I help them, make their life better. But they don't want to help themselves. So I don't sack them though. As they come here, just they sleep, lazy. They don't want to help themselves.
Wait now, ask now. Where you know them?
I don't know where they are. What happened? Change?
Yes. Madam, you mean you don't know the whereabouts? Like you don't know any place who can locate them?
I don't know where to put her.
In that case, there's no problem. Just go inside. You can just give us one crate. Bring one crate. Let's bring one. Just bring one crate.
They enjoy it.
Nothing there happen. Nothing there happen. Madam C.
If you say we come in time,
relax. So make una chill. How we go take chill? Relax. I have plans.
Something we don't miss.
You see those boys? When I go cook them, now raw we go chop them.
I will keep it.
If I prepare them, now raw we go chop them. I be me for this area. Oh, people of yesterday, I mean I came now crushing.
Come on, fuck off. I don't say we are on, but fuck off.
Doctor, good morning. How is he doing today? He's getting better. Good. Oh, have you taken anything today?
Yes.
Okay, you have eaten. Okay. I am going to send the nurse to bring your drugs. Huh? Good. Just very soon you'll be discharged. You understand me?
Thank you.
Since the pain is less now, there is no problem. That shows that you are getting much better. Doctor, I hope we'll be fine. Yeah, there's no problem. Since the pain is less now, there will be no problem, eh? Okay, I will send one of the nurses to bring you your morning drugs so that you take it. I hope you can eat it. Come with me to my office. See you right in my office. Doctor, that was exactly what happened. Even as I'm speaking to you now, I am running around to see if I can raise money for the hospital bills. So, people are still wicked up to this level. So people are still so callous in this modern age, in this computer age. Your own uncle. Jesus Christ. I don't believe this. I think you should have reported this case to human rights. You should have reported this case to human rights. But all the same, I will see what I can do about it. You understand me? I'll forget about the hospital bill. I will take care of it. You and your younger brother will pack it into my house and stay for a moment until they get arrested.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. God will bless you abundantly. Thank you very much.
Don't thank me, young man. You are as young as I am. So we preach love every day. So we have to show love. If I were in your shoe, who knows, you would have done the same thing.
Thank you very much.
Just forget about, don't be afraid. It's very simple. So you come with me as you lie low while we make arrangement with human rights and police and see if we can arrest those hoodlums. Do you get me? I get it. I think this plan I told you earlier in the morning will work out more than any other plan. Since the people that are looking for you guys are still at large, and they are still making all the effort they got to make sure that they get you down, I think this place is the best place you can lie low until the police takes up the case and investigate it properly.
Okay.
As it is, I want you to understand that you are now a man, a fully grown man. Well, whatever difficulties you face in life,
you must face it squarely. And whatever problem that comes your way, you must try all you can to make sure that you get rid of it. You are no longer kids. You need to wise up. You need to face and challenge your challenge. Face and challenge your problem. These men that assassinated your father, they are hell-bent to make sure that they eliminate two or both of you. And if you allow them, that will come to pass. Do you get me?
Yes,
so, no matter what it takes, what you need to do is to protect yourselves. You stay here, whatever you need. This is one of my Android phones.
Okay.
You can use it to contact whoever you want to contact. You can use it to call me in case of emergency.
Thank you very much.
Do not go outside.
Okay.
The criminals are still at large and they are actually searching for you people. I don't think if they set their eyes again on you, you are going to, you people will escape them. You will not escape from them. So you people should better stay indoors. Whatever you need, call me on phone, I will get them. Or I will send my fiancé.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Very
good.
Thank you very much once again. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. And one more thing, give me a second.
Okay.
Have you seen gun before? Have you used gun before?
No.
Okay. Okay. This is my gun. I have the license from the police.
Okay.
I brought this gun. This gun has been, is always in my bedroom. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So, with this, I think we are protected.
Okay.
If anybody comes close to this place, if you don't know that person, you don't know the face, the person is unable to state his or her mission here, shoot the person on the leg. Do you get me?
Yes.
Don't shoot on the head or on the chest. Shoot on the leg. Do you understand me?
Yes.
At least I'll be keeping like 3-4 bullets.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come. No, not afraid. There's no bullet now. You see what I did?
Yes.
This is how to free the chamber and then load the
bullets.
Then after loading, free the chamber this. Then if you want to, immediately you do it like this. You lock it from back. In case of emergency, this gun will be loaded.
Okay.
If you bring it, you press here. You press here. Immediately you press here. Just aim to the target. Fire. Continue firing.
Okay.
Until the bullet finishes. I'll do what I just did. Drag it open. Good.
Okay.
Then you load the bullet.
Bullets.
Then after that, you free it. Press this knob. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Then when you do it this way, it's ready. You now lock it. Lock it. Good.
Okay.
Well, touch the trigger. Do you see it's no longer soft?
It's not working again.
It's not working. Then press it down. I hope you are listening. You will stop this night. Yeah? Tomorrow morning I'll take you to the place you can put in bullet and then you understand? So I am doing this not just because of anything, I'm doing this just because of God. Immediately if you see anybody you do not know and that person is unable to identify him or herself, shoot the person at the leg. Don't shoot at the
stop talking right now. I will blow up your store right now.
Please don't kill me.
I said stop talking.
Don't kill me.
Who sent you?
Nobody.
Shoot me.
I will talk.
Will you not talk?
I
said talk.
Nobody.
Shoot me.
I will talk.
Will you not talk?
I
said talk. Almost stop talking. You don't want to talk? Okay, blow this guy. Blow him up.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I will talk.
Jaguar! Who sent you?
It was Chizoba.
Stop talking.
It was Chizoba. The body's not
Chizoba. Who is Chizoba? Who is Chizoba?
Chizoba.
Do you know who is Chizoba?
Yes, I know Chizoba.
Who is
Our
Chizoba?
cousin sister.
Your cousin sister?
Hey!
So you killed my father?
Chizoba.
You killed my father! And you still want to kill me? Chizoba sent you to do what?
You go small side of me. No go anywhere. I'm at the hall too. No go anywhere. Now who be this? Now the girl why they tell you about be this.
Best. At the best. My body they pain me at the best. So looking for help to go. I do the best. At the best. Eh? At the best.
What did the young give me? You tell me say the best. You supposed to say you be one of us. But how you don't get our own mouth? You don't belong game with that. You tell me say the verse. Anything when we say the rough ahead, make it clear out for us. You stay here, you go execute her. I be not be so.
It's not so. I never understand this matter. I don't know. What now?
But you clear us. Go till the saw.
Don't tie all the wealth, the money and the property. This is what belongs to my papa. To themselves. You see, I won't make you kill them. I won't make now wipe out that family. I don't want anybody to just stand for my way now. Check out. Do like the best. Check out now.
What in the yard? You want to tell me say you want me to clear your uncle's family?
Sure.
Just no game. I don't know what to be your game. But no matter what the tribe could do for you, that block will do I do. Small time. We see me could clear that mama. That one our job.
I look at Betuli. I don't get ready. I don't the shame. What's in the happen? See, I don't do anything. Pay anything if you cost. Anything. I will pay. Just name your price.
Now sit down like that there. You don't have a problem. So what you go happen is say you don't see the go. You know the hand where the key and the hand where you collect. If you drop rubber, you drop blood. So you go go, make you arrange yourself well. You know where to meet me. Once you set, that's your you're clear. Clear! I said make you clear!
I gave you this money because I need a clean job. I need that job well done. I need this job to be clean. I wanted to kill this man. I wanted to eliminate him as soon as possible. In the next 2 days, I want to hear the results. I need to hear the cry of death in his house. Do this job without trace.
Calm down. I said make you chill. This is not my first job. I am a man who executed this job without any single trace. You will hear this course very soon.
No problem. Just do a clean job. That's what I asked. Please do a clean job. I don't need this job to be traced at all. After the job, I don't know you and you don't know me. We all will go our separate ways. Okay?
What are you even talking about? Is it not to clear a single man without a security? To kill him is just a very simple something. Just calm down. When I am done, you will know that I am stone. Like I said before, you don't have to worry yourself. But one more thing. Remember, have a balance. Where am I getting it?
Don't worry. I'll complete your balance when the job is done. I'll complete it.
I don't want to hear any story.
No story. Remember, we have a deal.
She hired me. You killed Nicholas. I don't know that. So you killed my father! 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 You can get me my phone immediately. Get my phone. Boss. Oh, Okute, now you be this. Hello, Inspector. Yes. This is Dr. Michael. Yeah, yes. One of the men is down in my house right now. I shot him on the leg. Okay. Please, come over immediately. Don't waste time. Come and pick him up. And arrest the remaining members of his gang. Good. We are waiting. Shut up! Shut up! Idiot. Let's take this man and tie him up there until the police comes.
Yes? Hello?
Hello, is this Chief Woodmood?
Yes, and who am I talking with?
My name is Inspector Galadima. I am calling from police headquarters. In Guad, I am the EPO.
And then, why do you need me?
Your attention is needed in our station. In regard your daughter, Chizoba Woodmood, is in connection with the death of your younger brother, Nicholas. And we have one or two questions to ask you.
Wait a minute. Are you sure you know what you're talking about? My daughter, Chizoba.
Yes, I know what I'm talking about. Sir, with due respect, we are expecting you in our office right now.
It's okay, I'm coming now. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Ewo obutu wasidi Chimo obutu wasiadio Wage iwe onye ge ikuru ya